Introduction videos are a great way to put a face to your name and provide any relevant info that the lead needs. Make sure to say their name in the video, personalizing it just for them to show that they are important. They will become more familiar with you and know who to look for when they visit the dealership. These videos shouldn't be too long, but it is a good chance to quickly answer any questions they may have and provide a call to action.
Hey Ryan, this is Skylar at Covideo's dealership. I wanted to send you a video to personally introduce myself and put a face to a name. I saw that you were interested in the Toyota RAV4 and wanted to touch base to see if you have any questions and also see what we can do on our end to help you find the right vehicle. We do have plenty of options right now on the Toyota RAV4s. Give me a call whenever you have a couple minutes. I would love to answer any questions that you have. My number is 800-306-1445. I will also be following up with you here after I send you this video as well. Thanks, Ryan. Talk to you soon.
And now a more personal connection has started with the potential buyer, increasing the chance that they choose you in your dealership.